Sure did. Why you been calling?
She has. You ain't been answering. There she is.
Alright.
When you call me?
She's supposed to be coming. For all week long, she's been calling you. All week.
I don't even know your phone number. Did you know mine?
You better be recording this, because I don't know
Oh,
if
what's
the
going got mad at me?
Who?
I followed Michael home yesterday night.
Oh, there it is.
So his girlfriend.
Get out front of the camera.
So his girlfriend
You can't
came
see
to the
him
car
anyways.
talking to me, right?
Yeah.
She said, Mike, you know Terry's been calling. And she said it's been a long time. It's way before this in the phone. But she needs to call all the time. She said, but really, she can have it. She said she
You
didn't
talking
want.
about something that goddamn happened 13 to 15 years ago? Come on now.
No, she didn't say you
That's
did
when I
nothing.
robbed him.
She said you need to call him all the time.
That's what them lie. They call me all the time. That's when I robbed him. Around the time I robbed him. I told you about that.
And she said she don't want it. She
I
said
was
she
around
wish she
saying-
did it.
I didn't want him either. I just wanted to rob him. Which I did.
She told me she didn't want Michael.
That he'd get drunk and come over and let me drive, and then I get his bank
If
card.
you see a girl down the house like Greg Fort somebody, he wants, I want to do that, I want to do
Then
that.
I get his bank card.
But
right?
he want
be so-
everybody
look,
just to have
He be
respect.
so tore up. I get his bank card, right? Because he have it in the car, so you know, he get the wallet and phone card. He be so tore up, I get it out, and I drive his truck to the fucking ATM machine, right? Get out right in front of him and get his money out the ATM in front of him. That way he couldn't get me later on to steal his money, because like I said, hey, he was with me, but he didn't know I was doing it. See what I'm saying? So it wasn't about him. It was about getting his ass and what he had. So whatever. He wasn't fucking, so. Not that. What's wrong with that? And like she said, that was way before Desi was born.
Well, she said he can't say it. He can't do nothing, so you don't want to take a bath.
That's
She said
You
he's
don't
mad.
take a bath either.
She said, Mike, if you come in my house now, it's so mad. She said, I don't want anybody in my house.
How you gonna do? Okay, stay away from there so don't catch the other ones on fire. The fire.
Them all y'all got?
$65 was enough. What'd you buy?
I don't want no money.
$65
I
was
think
enough.
that's anybody.
Then I had to pay for her, she had cavities, right?
Anybody I got to borrow money, guess I got to call you, borrow
You know how
money.
much
I said I won't
No,
call
I'm
Terry.
saving my money for my first
I took her to the dentist
What?
2 days ago. Because they said she has some spots she had to get filled, so she got braces, right? So I took her, and she had 6 more cavities. Her insurance wouldn't pay for all that. You know how much it cost me? $166. And she's got to go back in 2 weeks to get more done because her insurance wouldn't pay for all of it. They changed her insurance when she went to foster care. They changed her insurance. Her insurance only paid for like part of her dental work. I had to pay $166, and I got to pay again when I take her back 2 weeks to get the rest of the work done. Another $166. Ain't that fucked up? She's not taking care of her teeth still. It don't matter.
She's going through a lot of changes right now.
Well, I paid for it, and I got to pay again in 2 weeks when she got it
I
back.
mean,
She's got
she's going through a
to get it done before she can get braces. And they might, even then, she might not even be able to
she's
get the
going
braces.
through a lot of changes right now. She ain't really got nobody.
So after we get the rest of them,
She ain't got nobody to care for her. She ain't got all that.
after we get the rest of them filled, I'm gonna go ahead and get her teeth
Back and
bleached,
forth, this and that.
and then we're gonna take her back
She
and
don't
see
know
if we
what
can get the braces.
later on.
Once she gets okay.
People keep lying on you, know none of that shit gonna come on. You don't know what this is gonna be. Right or wrong.
Yeah. The rest pieces and my panties.
Well, why ain't got your phone though?
No,
Huh?
I don't know. Ask mom.
No, I'm asking you.
I don't know my phone.
Well, I gotta ask her. Well, I can't, you my child, right? Well, I gotta go through you. I ain't gotta go through Terry. You blocking the camera, bitch. I need a phone. I ain't got no phone. Well, I'm gonna give you my number. I don't even know my own goddamn number. I tell you the phone I'm using, I'm sure to you.
Got another phone?
Well, that girl let me use her phone and it might matter. I didn't have it.
Lou said she was coming to get shit out the van a while ago, and I just had time to get that shit out the van. You don't more sparklers, Dusty.
What are you doing with firecrackers?
I just got 2 big old packs.
Huh?
All I did was get 2 great big old packs. $40 and $65, 2 packs.
You didn't get no firecrackers?
I don't know what else in here. I think they told me in. Come look. I don't know. M60? Yeah. But you might throw them at somebody.
Like you did last year.
I'm going like this.
You tried to blow my car up last year.
What you doing to my goddamn phone, Terry?
Huh?
Terry, what you doing to my phone?
Huh, Dusty, you gonna hold 2 of these?
No, I thought I did.
Here.
What?
You hold them here. You don't know what these.
That's just stupid.
I met my friend in Spun Green. You
Lock
heard
the
about
other
that
one.
shot at
Lock
Spun?
them
You heard
Huh?
about the shooting in Spunburg?
Yeah. Don't catch this on fire over here. Mike, get away from my fucking car. That's
He was late. Both of you were late, actually.
yeah, you was the latest.
I was about a few minutes.
Try to keep all the
I
stuff
was tied up. I'd go to the store and say, you there. I thought it was going to rain. Didn't you mind? I thought it was going to rain. I'd go to the store.
I showed up.
Get out front of my camera.
Yeah.
You're fessing
He
up my
said he ain't
vlog.
going to show up. I said he might. You don't know. I said, you talked to him? I said, I hadn't talked to him. I went fussing now. He goes in there, he's just changed locks. So he's got a key in my box. I left my pocketbook in there and I can't get in there. And my stuff's in there, all my stuff in my field. He's got a key to the lock. He's going outside the van.
Why does it not do anything?
I said he don't leave. Well, all my stuff. I thought he had to bring my
Why does it
pocketbook.
not do anything? That's who you watching these
What's that
firecrackers?
got to do with
No, I
anything?
bought this shit for you, not for me.
She can't pop it in her hand.
No, but you didn't look at it.
Jesse, put that phone down now. This is family time. This is family, father, mother, family time.
I could have bought me
He
$65.
wanted
Yeah.
my phone number.
Scratch off.
He wanted my phone number.
Who did?
Dad?
He did?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. You wanted his, didn't you?
Yeah.
I was going to get it to him. Never let it should be but.
This ain't not like the fireworks y'all used to buy us, but I can't afford
We
them.
have to pick them up now.
You heard me?
I didn't even know that his car knows two just like.
You hear me?
Huh?
So they ain't nothing like the fireworks
How
y'all
much
used to
they
buy. $65. More than I
That
have.
was too bad.
You know how to pay.
All of them sent me
You know how to
$500.
pay for no those have yeah. They mean less.
What's your phone number?
Who's?
525.
You do it.
525.
Yes, you
You're faster. Yeah.
Yes, you better watch these damn fireworks.
Watch them because that's $65. You want to.
They know how to
What's the number?
No, we
Goddamn
can't do
phone.
it later. We all out here together.
We're gonna do it.
Well, he rushed him probably.
Put two on there.
See, you knew he was going to come. Mike, he said, Mike ain't coming down there when you stop by. I said, I was going to the store. Why don't you come to the store? I said, I'm on my way. You go walk? I said, yeah, I'll be right there.
Go, Desi. Go, Desi.
Go, Desi.
Go, Desi. Go,
Desi.
motherfucker.
Who is that? You?
Okay.
Don't let him hear the nice things. There's a homeless people like that.
I've
Desi,
been
go,
dancing like
Desi,
that.
go, Desi, go.
I'm
Go, Desi, go. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
yes.
Huh? That my baby. That might be baby.
Ow.
Oh, that might be baby.
Who the hell?
Huh? What's the hell? You ain't back lost again?
It's here somewhere there.
Huh? I ain't seen Griffin today.
No, I hit it, but I can't find it right
In the bushes, oh down the road.
Mother,
What?
who invited that stranger?
Nobody. Somebody's on the road down there. They're in the airport down there.
Where are you
He'll
going?
have it covered up with bushes. I ain't got, it ain't working right. Good, take it around.
Oh, no, it's not.
Can't find it by the bush.
Open his trunk.
Let's go for the mountain.
God damn, that's all that shit do.
Yes, you gotta put on my goddamn trunk.
Oh, that's what you got over here.
Don't.
You gotta hold it straight up in the air.
Like that. Like that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Don't hold it up to your head. Hold it out.
Like that.
Yeah.
They waiting on
Don't point it toward my head. You're going closer and closer to my head. Is that all?
done?
Are you serious? I guess so.
I got my phone.
It's in my pocket. Come get it. Give us some more spring.
Where's my phone?
I want to do that again. I don't.
Do that again. There's two more down. This one I don't think that's a good idea. This one. Alright, here. Hold it out. You're out of my vlog. You're supposed to be in the vlog. Oh, you keep walking away from the vlog. Oops. Alright, put it in that ball. Alright, let's do this one. Then we got a bowler bag in the car. We can just get it all up. When we get done. Okay, so this is blackjack. What is this? Oh, that's the same thing. Oh, so you have 5 packs of those.
Yes, you about to get my goddamn teeth.
What are you doing, Papa? Yeah. All right. Did you see his jump? Yeah. How do you do this one? I don't even see a freaking Oh, no. Let's do this one. Are you painting fireworks? You ready to do some sprinklers? Sparklers, I mean. How many sparklers you want? 1 or 2. You want 4? 2 in each hand?
There's something wrong in the foot.
Here.
This is.
Oh, here.
Wait.
Come on. 2 in each hand. It's hot now. No, you scared me. Come here.
Did you do that?
I got some more sparklers.
They gave too many sparklers, not enough of the other shit. Huh? Flashlight. That's a light.
No. How you leave it down there during daytime?
It's in my pocket.
You leave it during
That would be
daytime?
Oh, man. Chris, we're keeping on well. You're not going.
I ain't saying not that shit for a light wood sometime.
What you want to do this time?
What?
You want to do this time?
Did you put your phone number in?
You don't have to raise my damn head.
Yeah.
You raised it
I'm
the other
trying
night.
to. Let's see.
What?
scare you then?
He didn't find it. Oh no. You better stand back. Oh, that's true.
Oh! These fucking things suck ass.
What did you write? This you wrote down?
What? No, that was right here.
That's what
Huh? Probably don't want it.
it was just that.
Don't run into me. Don't run into me, motherfucker.
I know you were running right away. You were away from me. I run you every
I try
time.
to run over. You run into that damn home with me.
Get my flashlight.
Yeah, right.
Ow, that popped me in my face. Am I supposed to pull this?
Like I told you, one is a liar. I told her in her face she's a liar.
Supposed to watch my room.
I called one that was on the phone. She trying to change that stuff up. She didn't tell me that, sir.
I don't know. She tried to change it up when I confronted her too.
She trying to change it up, but she didn't really say I told her a lie. She didn't change
She
it up
told
like
me
I
you
lied.
did.
She didn't want you to get mad when she was there.
No, she did tell
We
me.
pulled up and she was walking across the yard and I said, "Why not stop to you one fucking time on the goddamn warning." And she said, Mike's just trying to stir up shit. Mike's just always like drama. I didn't tell Mike that. Mike lied. Mike said, she said, Mike asked me if you were seeing somebody, blah, blah, blah.
I didn't ask her you seeing no damn
I'm
body.
just telling you what she said. She said she told you that if you wanted to know to go find out for yourself.
No fuck she did.
She went, I mean,
She said she's standing out the hell off around Dale. I said she's telling a damn lie. She tried to sell me some food. I said you already owe me $20, but you gave me $10 of it. I didn't ask her find me somebody. I said I'm trying to find somebody in Grill.
That's the rocket. Don't shoot it for nobody.
Sue already know the truth about it.
am I supposed to pull this string on this one?
I don't know.
Let's just tell her the truth. I come back yesterday. We said it in front of her. What'd she say? She's trying to change it around. Didn't
Yeah,
she?
one got to change around.
Put her there.
There's a lot of things.
Well, that scary man is coming
You
down.
like, what's that thing for? You pulled the squirrel. I know it.
I told you right in front of her what she said. You know,
I'm scared to pull this mother.
she said that's what happened.
That's not a problem.
Yeah.
That's a bomb.
That's all I shit can do. The smoke bomb.
Y'all dig all that up for the
Do you like my boyfriend though?
I thought you got a boyfriend.
Not really.
Mike's girlfriend gave me a phone.
You should have bags of it.
Mike's girlfriend gave me a phone. Then she came talking to me. Then she said, Mike, you know Terry called Mike a long time ago.
Oh, yeah.
She said, that's way before this. And I said, that's a long time. I don't know why she throw that up.
Mom,
Yeah,
she's
she
calling me like that.
She said, she's a jerk. I
Who
said,
said that?
Y'all just sound stupid talking about some shit from 15 years ago.
well, she said she don't want you thinking.
Nobody does. Why you keep
Then I
talking
told
about it?
Mike.
He's so
I'm just telling Sue what she said, Jerry.
But you're obsessed with Michael. Why?
What?
Because he's gay.
She just talking about it. Well, how could we
Every time I come around, he's talking about it.
Not just him. He's telling the truth about me.
Thank you.
Try to kiss his ass.
Walk up and say, give me a cigarette light up. I have some excuse. Walk over.
Huh?
Then I can have that excuse to be around.
Dusty said this is a mistake. Y'all running it with goddamn the bullshit. You're right, baby, but I tried to give you what you wanted. I know you had
Yes.
some bullshit the whole time.
Come here, baby.
Why aren't you smiling?
Come here.
Because because y'all running her fucking mouth.
I'm not doing nothing.
Yeah, we will.
You was grinning when I said that. You sure you
God damn. She hit me in my face again.
Hit him in my leg.
Smile, Des. Des,
What?
what's wrong with you? You looking all...
You didn't bring no bag to get all
I got a bag in the car.
Oh, you don't check your hair down.
I got a bag in the car. It's fully.
I seen him.
When's he gonna stop?
He made sure we pick it up. There was bright lights going around that way. I ain't gone. That's okay.
I got a bag in the car. I'm going to get it out.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
I'm
so his light is your house.
Huh?
He hit his lights at your house.
What?
His
They ain't
lights at
left.
your house.
They ain't
Where
my
y'all
house. They
going?
keep going.
Okay.
They gone. They still, they break lights.
You
They
hit your lights
stop.
at your house, Sue.
Turn trash
Don't
back.
walk down there, Sue.
I am gonna see what's going on.
Just come back. He might turn around. Come on back.
I think
Will
I
you
saw
bring your
something
ugly ass
wrong. Where's
back?
the fucking-
Look, I'm not gonna do it.
You better bring your ass back, because I'm
My
finna
brother's
get
up there
upset.
by himself.
I'm finna
By
pull
himself,
your
they can
goddamn...
get me.
They can get you for
Yeah,
you
they
being
not
right
there.
here?
I left you by his caregiver.
You left who?
Oh, shit.
What?
I caught it in my hand.
He'll probably come back here and see what we're doing.
Doing drugs.
Why did you come around? Why did you stop there?
He
I'm
probably
getting
he
hot.
knows your house.
I'm
No.
getting hot.
He
Smelling
might have
your
ran
butt.
around the curve.
He
Does it
coming.
smell good?
His brakes went around the curve, baby.
There.
Where?
All right, Dusty, you got two more left, and then these, and all your
Go,
sparklers,
Dustin.
and your black
Go,
snakes.
Dustin.
I ain't staying for the sparkler, I'm staying for the rocky ass.
There ain't but like two more left, and
Here it comes.
then this is your black snake.
Huh?
Dusty.
What?
Sue, you weren't about to pull it.
My brother's down by himself. I almost got
Oh,
lost.
This is your
child,
black
you ain't worried
snake.
about it. You scared they're going to take your man to jail, Dale.
I ain't worried about Dale. Terry tell you that. I'm over him.
I don't know
I'm
about
scared he's
all
gonna
that.
leave with my whole pocketbook with everything in it. My money, my
Dusty, you gonna do your
drugs,
sparklers?
my drugs,
Yeah.
2 different kinds, and my colostomy.
Oh, you worried about drugs.
Yeah, they in my
Here.
bedroom. We got a key in my room. I didn't know it until I got back and it changed
Hold on,
locks
hold
on me again.
I'm going to put on this gun.
I got a key
Yeah.
about $7 a piece.
Huh.
You can get 10 piece for them. So you let them have. I get Terry, don't get 5 a piece for the colostomy. Easy.
Yeah.
Cause they two little
Can't
that
hardly
people
find
they
How many you
same
got you want
thing.
to get rid of?
I don't know. It's 5 pieces, about 10, at least 10.
Okay, give me 10.
Give me 10, $50.
Right.
You got it on you? You gotta go back and get it. When you go back and get it, come to Disney, I'll give
Oh,
you 10.
just give me 10 and I'll bring it to you.
No, no.
Terry, will you come out there and get the crack?
What? You know you're on camera, right?
Huh?
It's right there.
Yeah, you on camera. too.
I done run my whole vlog. Now I can't upload that to YouTube. Woo!
Look at that.
Y'all done
That's
ruined
film
my whole
all over
vlog.
Talking about some drugs.
They stole some more shit out of my house today. And I
Y'all just ruined my
tried to feel
vlog.
it while
I gotta
they
cut
didn't
that out. That's gonna be
So-
hard. I ain't learned how to edit
Huh?
yet.
I can get 10, then I'll bring it to you.
I don't know how to work this.
Well, y'all talk, whatever you will talk.
Move up my line. I gotta find the
Now
package.
you go home and get them and bring them up there.
Alright, listen, give me a hug.
You ain't got to do it now.
How much do these 2 rushes for?
Huh?
I got 2
I
things
don't know how to
sprinkled
work
up there.
these.
Different
Right here.
colors. Is that
Say
they-
what?
Bobby can't have
Ooh!
Oh, no, he done it on purpose too. Brian
Please
damage.
touch the,
You know, I'm gonna sue his estate. I'm gonna sue him. I'm gonna get his car and everything. Brain
No.
damage. Brain damage.
No,
What?
I drove
Brain
his car
damage. His
to.
even head was still head.
Jesse just raped the car.
No, I didn't. Grandma, look.
What
I
did you
pulled
do?
it.
Grandma?
I pulled it all over there.
Pull it over there and
Do
watch.
She
not
stole
throw,
the
it says
car.
do not throw at people or animals.
Throw
What?
it at that car.
Oh!
Do not throw
Throw
at
it
people
at
or
my. No,
animals.
he ain't got no shoes on.
Well, throw it at Sue.
Throw it at
Feed
his
it, ain't gonna
car.
hurt him. No, you're not
shit,
running
that
my
didn't
shoes.
work.
Sue,
He
I
lost. Andy, give me them. Ran him.
God
Oh,
damn,
you
these
ain't the
things.
one right there
Can
now.
I do it?
Sue, that was a car light.
Here,
Where?
they're not even working. I'm
Look
just
at
wasting.
that. And there's a car
Right
light, Sue.
down there.
I mean, Terry, look.
What?
Look over there.
Right
car
down
light.
there.
I don't see no car
No,
light.
look at the
That
car light.
red car light right there.
I don't see
In the
it.
back.
No, in the front.
Oh,
Alright, Des, you want to hold your Roman candle? This is your last one. This right here,
Yeah, that's a car lot.
here, come hold this. You got two more left. This one and another kind. Huh? You gonna hold it? Here, Mike, you hold it. Hold on.
Right light at Sue, huh?
Is it a bright light? That's probably police.
It look like it. You don't see that red light?
They're
right
not
there?
working. They're not working right, are they? I didn't waste a bunch of them. All right, here. Come on,
I don't
car.
see it now. I don't see it now. Yeah, dude. And she had one that said I lied.
Yeah.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
Why you didn't call me then?
You went there to the phone. You went there to the phone all week. All right, one more and that's it.
What
Get
she
the
said?
sparklers.
Oh, they're gonna call out. It is at Sue House. It pulled off.
Hold it. Is this another one? I hope hold it away from your face. Just let me hold it just in case. All right, you got it. Go ahead. I'm about to say. You might be come out the back again. Sometimes they made wrong and
She
they come
didn't
out.
tell me I lied.
She said you lied. And you're always trying to start drama. You like to keep things going. That's it.
Well,
You got
she
your
the one
card.
coming out there want to borrow money from me and talking.
got your
About
own-
that Mexican had an ankle thing on his leg when he first came there. How the fuck I know that thing? I didn't know shit about the motherfucker. I didn't
You
know
gonna
he had
save
an
these
ankle
for later?
thing on his leg.
Yeah.
That he was a child molested or something. I didn't know how the fuck I know that. I can't just guess it. That's what part of why he was in that ankle thing on his leg. How the fuck I know that, dude?
All right, that's your sparklers. Let me clean up this mess. Get off the damn phone!
People don't want to listen to the damn truth.
I might clean up the mess.
Fuck you.
I gotta get another bag. Get another bag. That ain't gonna fit in this bag.
I might got a bag. Go look at my car, girl. See a bag. It's open.
No, I need the keys.
You don't need the keys. Call.
Can I?
That's it. Come up just right by. No. We can go to jail for that. We have to do it like.
Go to a bag.
Now there's a road check down the road. What somebody posted on Facebook. Next to the school down here. They said it's a 10-car.
Well, you want to throw this in the bushes?
Huh? No, because I don't want my that truck to come down on us or something. They know who we are. That cop knows who we was for sure.
That guy don't know who the fuck we was.
He seen Mama. They all know Mama. And half of them know me.
Get your ass out of my car, you stinking ass.
For coming down here arguing with these people. So she just threw her fucking whole thing up. At least that's over with. I did my job as a parent.
Or Jesse just want to be happy. That's all she want to do.
Exactly.
That's man that's going to cheat with child ass. Go, girl. Yes, you want like a slut. Why do you want that? What you got in my car?
Got another bag. What does big stuff fit in it?
It's a chicken bag. Open it.
That
You
ain't
put
gonna
some in
fit.
here? Huh? Open
Well,
it,
here,
so-
Mike, you might just have to take the 2 boxes. Here, can you throw this away then? I got all
I'll
the
take it
trash.
to the house. Throw it
There
in
ain't
the
nothing
trash.
back then 2 boxes.
I did it.
And all the other trash.
Oh,
in
you
here.
get it. Huh? Throw it in the truck. Well, I ain't got no more. Well, y'all can take some up. I don't need to take all of
I ain't
it.
got no room in my trash can. Here.
I will throw it down
That's
there,
all
but
it
the
is.
church
It's a
bag.
bag of 2 boxes.
Well, just wait a minute.
I had no room in my trash can. Damn, I'm out of breath.
Throw it, put it in the back seat.
I'm
in the
dizzy.
front seat of the car there.
On your car?
Yeah.
Bye, YouTube.
I will.
Tell YouTube bye. Bye. Oh.